Tēnā tātou ngā rau me ngā peka a te rākau i ra tangata. Nau mahara mai hoki mai te umuariki tēnei me ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Karakia tua whetu, our surroundings, mihi nui kia io. Mihi nui kia io, nānā te kore, nānā te pō, nānā hoki te ao i whakatinana. Arā, ko rangi nui e tui honei. Arā, ko papatua nuku e takoto ake nei. Kātahi ka puta, arā ua tamariki nui tonu. Arā, ko tāne mahuta, ko tā whiri mātia, ko tangaroa, ko rongo, ko haumea tike-tike, ko rua moko. Ko tū mā tauinga, tokona, a rangi nui ki runga a papatua nuku ki raro. Ka puta te whai ao me te ao marama. E rongo, whakairia ki runga kia tīnā, tīnā, haumie hui e, tai ki e. Paku whakamarama, short explanation whānau, gotta move along quite quick, there's a bit to cover, but we will be breaking it down throughout the week. Actually, whānau, it is pretty straightforward. Mihi nui kia io, acknowledging source of creations. Also the period and time of the nothing, of the nothingness and the darkness and unknown, te kore me te pō. Te ao I whakatinana, the manifestation of creations and our surroundings in the universe as we know it today, whānau. Big shout out to Rangi Nui and Papatua Nuku, majestic sky father, suspended above and beyond to the galaxies. The surface of the earth, Papa, Tua Nuku and beyond down to the layers of uku and down to the core. Kātahi ka puta a rāua tamariki nui tonu, using a narrative to talk about their children, but also whānau, the aspects, the different other aspects of creation, and these are some of them. A big shout out to Tāne Mahuta for the vegetation and forestations of planet Earth. Thank you so much to Tāwhiri Mātia for the lovely swirling winds today, the bringer, the harbinger of health, life and well-being. Tangaroa, 70% of the earth covered in the oceans of Tangaroa. Thank you so much to Rongo and Haumea Tike-tike, being the storehouses of food, nutrition and our sustenance. A big shout out to Rua Moko for keeping us on our toes with volcanic earthquake activity and also contributing factors towards weather and weather patterns. Last of all, for this lot at least, being tū mā tauinga. Not only the aspect of the god of war, but this aspect of creation, and also which is us as humanity. As leaves and branches of the tree of being, we stand here between Rangi Nui and Papatua Nuku, te whai ao me te ao marama, in the light of day, enlightenment, in a world of advancement and technology and great advancement. We appeal now and call out to an aspect of rongo being peace, as we as humanity need to come together in peace and come together. Haumie hui e, tai ki e. Ka pai whānau, so that's us. A quick breakdown. We'll be doing some more throughout the week. All the best with that. Don't let it get you down. Just break it down line for line or, 2 or 3 lines in a sentence. Take care whānau, and I'll see you out there.